Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add remote on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines here, where you have your home, issues, pull requests, etc. And in the top right corner, we can see that we have your profile, where you have your profile, responsibilities, get status, and a lot of things on that behalf. But now guys, let's see what here actually have in front of us. So how we can actually go and add remotes on GitHub. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, what you need to do, guys, is go and follow these few steps. So open your terminal and navigate to your local repository. So you need to go click on here. Then add remote repository using the get remote add command. You'll need to specify a name for the remote, commonly origin and URL of the remote repository. The command is get remote add, remote name, and remote URL. For example, if you want to add a remote named origin with the URL, you will need to go and click on get remote add origin types. And then you need to verify the remote by running git mode/b. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few steps, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.